I know I have the seeds of something. I know I have like a back of the envelope scribble of some ways that this idea can make money and work out. But I really need to figure out what it is and how to start to communicate it. Hi, I'm Katrina Demulling. I'm the founder and CEO of Unpredictable Finds, which started as an online vintage antique oddity shop. And through the Innovation Studio launch program, I am launching District 42, a vintage and artisan mixed-use retail co-working space in Providence. There was this idea kicking around in my head of wanting to get some sort of mixed use building and doing something with it. And so I already had Unpredictable Finds, but I did have this other idea that, didn't even have a name, only had the roughest sense of what exactly it was going to be. And I couldn't articulate it. And so got the email about this Pre-Accelerator and how it defined, those who have the fuzzy starting a business idea. When you're in your day-to-day business, it's really hard to make time and attention for your 1 year, 3 year, sort of 5 year growth plans. And so being in the Innovation Studio launch program forced me to sit down and actually, think through my fuzzy business idea. And it not only helped me figure out what to do with District 42, but it was also instrumental in making me realize that some of my goals for Unpredictable Finds as well needed to change. So in the near future of, the next couple of months and likely the rest of this year, I'm focusing on conducting additional customer discovery to further hone when I talk about my customer segment being vintage and artisan, retailers and small business owners, of figuring out like who within that. And then the second thing I'll be doing is, engaging in some of the programs that already exist in Rhode Island to connect with some mentors to help me on the business side, because as a mixed-use building, I want to buy the building as part of the model. It's going to be a pretty complicated, spreadsheet trying to figure out the acquisition cost and OpEx and CapEx and, segments of rents. So anyone watching this video who would love to find out more about what I'm doing, they can check out the website for District 42 and sign up for the mailing list to stay tuned on developments as it progresses and we find a home within Providence.